Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing well and staying on track. I don't know about you, but I love ice cream. I love a nice cold treat, especially in the summertime, but all year long after I've gone for a nice walk. Hello, I just went for one, and I just wanted to share 3 of my favorite ice cream snacks, treats, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and of course I just want to remind you guys before I show you, don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. I love when you comment and of course like and share my channel with everyone, because sharing is caring and we want to get everybody on a health journey. And I don't know if you know, but I've lost 130 pounds over several years, and I've kept it off over 9 years now. And you know, you can't deprive yourself. You want to have healthier versions of the favorite things that you like. And my next video, hello, is snacks. So calling all snackers, stay tuned for my next video. I've already done one video, but people are asking me what are the different things that I like to snack on. So I'm going to do that next. All right. So number 1 is my Chapman's ice cream. I love Chapman's ice cream. It has so much flavor, but this one is maple walnut. They have cherry, they have chocolate, they have vanilla. And the thing about the walnut and the cherry is there's so many walnuts, and in the cherry, so many cherries, and I love that, all right? And only 5 smart points for, I believe it's half a cup, okay? And that's a good amount, all right? So make sure, I'm just gonna show you to measure it out, because measuring is important to staying on track, right? And even if you had double the amount and you saved your smart points, depending if you're on WW or whatever journey, but having a small bowl will help you to keep the amount correct, all right? Because I know if you're like me, sneak in a few extra tablespoons, right? Shh. But that's not going to kill you. So having yummy ice cream is really important. So the thing is to check the nutritional information, right? So you want lower saturated fats, you want lower calorie. This is 120 calories. You want lower sugar, only 5 grams of sugar. I know, it's amazing, right? All right, the other one that I really love is the Halo, and I love the chocolate mint. If you love chocolate mint, my friends, and they have all different types of flavors, but I have to say the chocolate mint is delicious. The great thing about Halo Top is for the same amount of points, if you're on WW, you get 3/4 of a cup. I know, even more for 5 smart points, but it also has 7 grams of protein. So when you're checking nutritional information, like I said, calories, saturated fat, sugars, and proteins are really important. And if you're on low carbs, then you're going to look for the carb count. The other thing that I love from Dairy Queen are these creamsicles, and they're only 2 smart points. They also have fudgicles, which are also my favorite as well, but I didn't have any in the house, so I couldn't show you them. But they're in a box like this. Okay, they're not really cheap, and you do get, I believe 6. Yeah, you get 6 bars. And the thing is that think about what you used to spend on all these different treats, right? So if it is a little bit more expensive, I'm not saying you have to eat one every day, but in moderation, everything in moderation, right? And the other thing I like to do with the ice cream is I like to put on a little bit of whipped cream, light whipped cream, and sometimes a little bit of my sugar-free caramel or chocolate sauce and a few sprinkles. Add some fruit to it to bulk it up, okay? And those are my tips for my top 3 ice cream treats. So I hope that was helpful. Stay tuned, because now I'm going to be doing, well, depending on when you're watching this, I'm going to do my snack video. And I have a lot of snack ideas that have helped me on my journey. All right, guys, take care. Love you and stay on track. Find things that you enjoy that will help you. Even if your family has other things in the house, buy things for yourself and mark them off. They're yours. They're yours, okay? Take care. That's what I do. Another tip from Risa. Take care for now. Bye for now. Bye-bye.